you in the market for an instrument cluster for your 1967 to 1972 Ford trucks? Then look no further than AutoMeter's InVision Digital Dash. This complete dash system comes with speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, oil pressure, water temperature, and voltage, all built into a beautiful 12.3-inch high-definition LCD screen. Now, this isn't just a 6-gauge system. You're going to get tons of extra bells and whistles built into this. So you're going to have things like turn signals, high beams, as well as individual instrument warnings. So if you have something like high water temperature, low oil pressure, or even if you start to run out of fuel, this dash is going to let you know both with an on-screen indicator as well as an audible alarm with the built-in speaker that's in here. Now, beyond the screen, you're going to get all sorts of other customization as well. So you have 4 display screens that you can choose from, one of which you can do color customization on. And you can toggle between those screens whenever you like. So if you want to use one screen today and another one tomorrow, it's simply just done through the joystick that's built into this kit. So that joystick is going to do all of your navigation. Simply twist left and twist right and then push to click to get through the various screens. Beyond this, the dash is the perfect fit for your 67 to 72 Ford trucks. This is an injection molded piece. It's very firm, rigid. It's not going to bend or flex. It's going to be much stronger than the original one that came with the vehicle. So beyond that, it's also going to utilize all of the factory mounting locations. So you won't have to cut, drill, modify your original equipment to get this in place. Now, this is a complete instrumentation solution. So you're not only going to get the full 6 gauges, but it's also going to include your wire harness as well as sending units for water temperature and oil pressure. Now, for things like tachometer, speedometer, and fuel level, no, those are all programmable. So your tachometer works from 1 to 12 cylinders, speedometer works off of electronic or GPS, and even fuel level you can select from various fuel level sending units that are pre-programmed into the dash. So this is a complete instrumentation solution. You're even going to get some extra bells and whistles on the dash itself. So on the back of the dash, you actually have cutouts for 4 2/16-inch gauges. So if you wanted to add a wideband, an EGT gauge, or anything in between, you would have the option to do that. So when you're looking to upgrade your dash, look no further than AutoMeter's InVision Digital Dash for the 1967 to 72 Ford trucks.